Okay, welcome back to Airbeater's Hangar. Today we have a little radio in the RV that isn't working too well. And actually, it doesn't work at all. So my friend asked me to come over and take a look at it. So here I am. And we're going to see what we got to do to get it done. And hopefully it shouldn't take too long because it doesn't look that hard. Anyway, I'm going to show you what we have, and then I'll show you what we do after. There's Cashmere. Hi, Cashmere. That's my little niece, and there's my other little niece. That's Roxy. Hi, Roxy. Hi, and of course, the friend is a little bashful. She don't want to be on the radio or on the. She don't want to be a YouTube superstar. Like I could get that for her. Anyway, having a tough time myself. All right, anyway, this is the one that's bad. It's not working. It won't go in the CD or change the status that it's in now or whatever function it is now. So she was trying to do it herself, got it all pulled out. The control head had set it on the floor and saw all those wires and said, I need help. So she got scared. She didn't want to burn her place down. So she called me. So I can burn it down. Not. Anyway, this is the new one that she's going to put in. And it shouldn't be too hard, like I said. Pretty self-explanatory. Bunch of wires. We'll figure it out. So with that, I'm going to pull this out. See what we have. And like I said, hopefully it won't take too long. She's a good one. Really? Well, that ain't good. Alright, because I'm getting old, I have to take pictures of everything so I can blow them up. So I can see what the heck's the writing, or what the writing is.
What did you find?
Okay, shouldn't be too bad. Alright, with that said, let's dive into it. Black, yellow, and red. So we're going to keep them for power. I probably can just cut this harness and use the same one and just wire this into the other one. I think I'll do that. Because this also has the fuses on it, so it shouldn't be too hard.
But those connect that can go into the back of that new one?
Yeah, I'll have to
Wire that box.
oh man, you know what I didn't bring? Wire nuts.
Maybe
Crap, I don't have wire nuts. Well, since this is no good anymore, I'm just going to cut this, discard it, and we'll wire it up to the other harness, which is this one. This plugs into the back of the old, or the new one, so that shouldn't be a problem. Plus, we're already fused, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. This way the customer will have peace of mind that house won't burn down.
also hoping that there was nothing that the wire harness made that stop.
I think it could have been a power dip or something. Took it out. Perhaps. Really?
Yeah, it was in the middle of the night. So I don't know if that's when that happened.
I can't believe I did not get wire nuts. Crap! I'm stuck. I'm going to have to go get some wire nuts. All right, we'll be back. Okay, I got my wire nuts. I have the color code. and I'm ready to put this stuff together. Hey, you're fine. And my friend still doesn't want to get on the camera, but I'm going to get her. I will get her. Yeah. Okay, so the new one, brown, is nothing. It's all good. I got you.
That's a little more high tech for me. When it comes to electric.
I know you could have done it.
Well, how are you hooking?
This is the old harness,
Right.
and this just pulled out from the harness that's in the RV itself.
Right.
So all I'm doing is this went to the radio. I cut it off, and this is going to take the place going into the new radio.
What's this?
That is a fuse block, or it could be a an inductor that takes the noise from the trailer out of the stereo.
Oh, okay.
That's all that is. Yeah, see? It's just a filter, that's all. It's an electronic filter.
So I kept looking at it, I'm like, oh, man, I don't know what this is.
Yeah, that's no problem. And I'm doing it this way because you still have fuses here. Inline fuses.
So that's how you're going to put it into
Yep.
the new?
So the new one is fused. The new one doesn't have a fuse on the harness. Yep. So
I was going to have to wire it on there.
nah, we got you. You'll be fine.
So I was like, well, we have culinary that they teach them how to cook, set up tablecloths and to do the fancy napkins and all that shit. And then we have Nexos, because our cafeteria, they're catering. Machines are, well, we're trying to help us. I said, help out what?
Okay.
Help us.
We have all the wires matched. Do you have trash? Yep, I see it. Got it. Oh, come on, foot. Okay, so we have all the wires matched. Purple, black, purple, purple, white, 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 black, blue, blue, green, black.
See that bowl of food? I have to put food in the crate, on the floor of the crate, and she'll eat it out of it. Not out of the bowl.
And we'll do a safety check on the wire nuts. Okay, so they're all good. We're going to leave that the way it is. And we're going to come over here again. And at this point, it should just be a simple plug it in and let it rip.
Would you record yourself while you were doing that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So then
Oh, yeah.
you got me talking about stuff.
Oh, yeah. Don't worry. That'll be all muted out.
I didn't know you were doing it.
I know you didn't. Okay, we're still going. You're good. That's funny. That's why you see them up there. Okay, so from here out, it should just be plug and play, and it should be fine. So we'll try it out. Got a good positive click. There's a fuse in the back of the radio, so that should be fine. This has, oh, this is probably for the DVD. Yep. That is definitely for the DVD. Doesn't say whether that's in or out. It looks like it's out. Yeah. The in, the out, audio in, audio out. And she also has a HDMI cable to that. Look at that. How about that? You can play your DVDs from here, but you don't have the wires running down here from the TV.
That's what I was talking to you about yesterday. So you come out and go back in that cabinet.
Yep. I understand now. So what you would have to do, you'd have to get longer. How far over does this go? That's open. You can get those wires in there for sure. So what we're talking about is this radio. The new radio is a DVD player. You can see that. And it has the audio in, audio out, and video in, video out. I don't know if you can see it. Wrong angle. But anyway, we have to get those wires to the TV, which is above. And she will need longer ones. So that's where it would go. In here, in the back. Let's see what we can do with that. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to drill a hole here and fish the wires in. We'll have to drill a hole back here in this one, fish it through. Actually, you could probably take that all the way out if you want. There's a panel in here, that wood panel in the back. You can probably pull that wood panel straight out. Just push it over.
Yeah, take it.
Because, yeah, well, this side is open to the back. And you can reach the back of this panel from this side. What you'll need is longer cables, because this won't reach it. Yep, it won't reach all the way down and through. Do you have a set? You do or don't think so? Okay. Alright, so what you'll need to do is simple. You'll just have to drill a hole here. Actually, like I said, you can push this back and just fish the wires through if you want. Oh wait. You already got a hole here. There's already a hole here.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I actually knew. Oh.
Alright?
Okay.
So you don't have to drill any holes. You just bring that wire down here.
Still don't have enough?
No. Player here, and you could bring it all the way down and plug it into the back of this.
But you don't think the wires will reach off the beyond the
No, because it's too short. Yeah, see?
Okay.
It'll only reach the, it might even only get through the top. Yep, that's all you'd have to do, and then plug in red to red, black, red to red, white to white, black to black. Yep, just like it. Okay, so let's see. Look at that. You have power. DVD cables, audio visual.
And I'll just feed it, pull this out, feed it.
You have to pull the TV out, or wherever, however's plugged in up top. Take those cables out, plug the white to white, red to red, yellow to yellow up there, fish it down through the hole, and then over here, you have it in and out.
Well, they're already hooked that way, aren't they?
What's that?
To the TV.
Yeah,
I
but
just have
you
to pull out of the back of this DVD player, right?
you need a longer cable to get up there, so you have to pull them out, put the new one in. Yep. And then you have to do the out. If you look at this, it'll say these are in, this is out. So you'll put yellow for the audio, video, white for left, that for right.
Face them that way, not,
These ones.
okay, gotcha.
Okay? And then that's everything.
Now this,
Yep. Alright, that'll work.
does it, mounting, right, work?
Yeah, I'll have to get it in there. Hold on, let me find this power button. There you go. Another job well done. We'll see you next time. Till then, have a good day. Happy New Year.